So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Is Microsoft Word automatically changing your font? Here's a quick fix that can make your preferred font the default. So firstly, open Word and go to the Home tab. In the font section, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner. Select your preferred font, size, style and color, then click Set as Default. When the confirmation window appears, select all documents based on the normal DOTM template. Click OK, then create a new Word document and start typing. Your selected font should now be used automatically. And that's it. Your preferred font is now set as default in Word, so you shouldn't have to change it every time. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.